to my channel. Today is another one of those lovely unboxings. So if you like unboxings, then subscribe and do the bell. You know how to do that, and I'd love you to join our family. This is one of my favourites. It's the GLOSSYBOX, so you know what comes next. So I will undo it. This is £13.25 a month, and it's a subscription, and it's monthly, and it comes at the beginning of the month, and it comes into this beautiful pale pink box. Sometimes they do special editions where you get special different boxes like they had in Valentine's Day. So I have seen no spoilers, no nothing for this, so let's dig in. So as you can see, just a pink box. So you'll see the beautiful classic. So there's the card and the ribbon. So now you'll get to see before I do. There we go. And there's the card. Now, previously everybody had the same. More recently there's been a slightly different, where different people had slightly different content. So I will find out if everybody had the same by looking at the card. So it looks like we may all have the same again, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items on the card. So shall we dig in? Right, so first item pick up, and it says here transparent loose rice powder. Wow, rice powder. Now I'm not familiar with rice powder. I have heard that it's up and coming thing, but other than that I have no clue, so we'll read to find out more. Right, let's have a look. So it says matte effect transparent loose rice powder. Move over your banana powder. There's a new celebrity on the scene introducing rice powder, a combination of mica, rice starch, which gives the perfect matte finish. This one of makeup bag must-haves, as it's the perfect makeup setter, instantly absorbing oils. Oh, I need a bit of that. One of those things at the moment for me, setting foundation and lipstick without the cakey look. That's a definite must. So let's have a look. Oh, silver air protection, look. So we've got, oh, it's a pretty little top there. So we've got another protection. And it's also got one of those ones that you can, like a dial, so I'll show you, like a dial. What, am I dropping it everywhere? No, I'm not dropping it everywhere. It's like a dial. So, let me just open up, I'll knock some into the, oh no. No. Am I not opening it right? Oh, 2 seals. Okay. Ooh, it puffed. It puffed. Sorry guys. It has another seal as well, so it's ultra sealed. So right, pop that back on. Oh, it smells lovely. Oh, it smells really beautiful. Beautiful, delicate smell. Really is beautiful. Just grab one of my brushes. And very soft. Very beautiful. Not that you can see anything, but it feels very smooth. There you go. And it smells beautiful. It smells, and I'll just close it up, otherwise I'll make a mess. Right, so there's number one. I'll put the lid on properly. So that's by Effect. Right, next one out is the Eyeliner, and it says Fat Liquid Black Eyeliner. No, one moment, I didn't say the price of the Effect transparent rice powder. Right, the Effect matte transparent powder is £9.35. So back to this guy. This guy is £16, and it says here, remember the big bold lines of Brigitte Bardot rocked in the 50s, Twiggy in the 60s and Kate in the 90s. The It Girls decades have shown heavy liners never goes out of fashion. Recreate the looks of smudge-proof fat line eyeliner. Hashtag GLOSSYBOX to share your winged beauties. Unfortunately, I'm really not very good at eyeliners, the winged look. That's something I really do struggle with. I do the minimal eyeliners. I really need to get practiced with the winged look, so maybe this will be the excuse. I can't, well, not the excuse to give it a go. So let's have a look. Oh, eye, yes. So there you go, and you can obviously do the thing. So you can, beautiful. We'll let that dry, maybe we'll have a smudge in a minute. Okay, so Karl Lagerfeld Model Co. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, it says here, from the bold and the daring blush of the 80s, the natural look we're sporting now has come a long way, thank goodness. Say hello to the incredible baked blush that brightens and highlights the complexion and create the catwalk inspired glow. The luxurious pressed powder, the micronized colour pigments delivers a sheer pressed powder. Micronized, oh pigments, sorry, repeat myself, sheer natural radiance that lasts all day. And it says here, recommended retail price, it's a GLOSSYBOX early exclusive. Launch date yet to be released, so this hasn't even got a price yet. So let's have a look. Oh wow, I love it. Look how beautiful that is. You've got to give it a bit of a rub. So there we go. Oh, I don't know why I smell it, but it's not got a smell. But it's beautiful and soft. And as you can see, it's nice and sparkly. So it's very subtle, very pretty, very shiny, but not overly shiny. Beautiful. And we get it even before it's released, so that's brilliant. And a good old trusty favourite, Strawberry Lip Balm. Now this is a Comex. It's been protecting and prepping and perfecting lips since the 80s. I think we've all had one of these through the time, I think. Bursting with strawberry flavour, the classic lip balm protects, moisturises your lips, keeping them lusciously smooth for any occasion. A real multitasker. You can use it as a primer for lipstick staying power or gloss over your favourite colours. And it's got an SPF of 15 to protect you all year round. £2.79. Good old plastic packaging. See me struggle. Oh no. There we go, and I'm in. Now, as I said, it's been years since I've had one of these, so I'm going to, oh gosh, yeah, it takes me back. I did have one very long ago. It's, as I say, I haven't put much out. It's a lip balm. It's no different to, I've got lipstick on now anyway. It's no different to what we've had before. So, in the past. So it's a clear lipstick, smells delicious, as they always do. Now, for the last, but no means least, I do believe. Now, this has been in another box before, but I've not, this was before I ever had any of these boxes, so this is a first for me, so I'm very pleased about this. Very, very pleased. So, Safari Bronzer. Bring back the 90s. Leopard print bronzer. The talc-free, mineral-enriched formula looks good in... let me start again, I'm sorry about that, guys. Mineral-enriched formula looks good on the skin as it does in the compact. Create the versatile for every skin as it does on the impact. Let me start again. Oh, I do apologise. Right. Safari Bronzer. Bring on the 90s with a leopard print bronzer. The talc-free mineral-enriched formula looks good on the skin as it does in the compact. Created with a versatile for every complexion. It has a long-lasting waterproof formula. Oh wow, okay. Allowing you to keep it glowing all day and night long. Sweep it on where the sun would catch you, where you would naturally hit. Cheekbones, bridge of your nose, forehead and chin. Now this one is valued at £20. So, now as I said, I've not had this one before, although I have seen it's been in boxes before, but this is the first for me, so very excited. So, oh, it's like almost you don't want to use it, it's so beautiful. Right, let's just grabbing a brush. I'm going to use the other hand. Oh, I'm being a bit, because I don't want to go around all the things. There we go. And I haven't wrecked the... Oh yes, very nice. It's very subtle. It's not much darker than my own skin tone, actually. And I think because it's new still, I'm not really broken. So, there we go. That's it. Very subtle though. Okay. Lovely. Very, very pretty though. Very, very pretty. And I've not completely destroyed the design, which is very, very beautiful. Lovely. So, it's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm really pleased with the contents because we've got the bronzer with the safari print, which I think is absolutely stunning. You do want to use it, but you almost don't want to use it, which is brilliant. £20. You've got the rice powder with mica, which I'm really looking forward to trying because it absorbs oil. So as I said, I've got very oily skin, so that'll be great to try. We've got, and that one there is the $9.35, and we've got the Karl Lagerfeld highlighter stroke blusher which is not even been released yet, which is fantastic, which is so pretty. We've got a brilliant one which I think we can all do with. We've got the Carmex lip balm strawberry, $2.79, and get me practicing the winged look, no excuses now. We've got the eyeliner, which is your £16. So that's everything in the fabulous glossy box. And so if you enjoyed that, there'll be more to come. But as I said, I do other unboxings as well. So I do pink parcel, and I sometimes do Birchbox, sometimes I do Gusto box. So if you please feel free. I would love it if you were to join their family and to subscribe to our channel, and if you want to see more of my unboxings, do hit the bell and that will be fabulous. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a happy and healthy day. Take care and thank you very much. Bye bye.